Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Hindi Sikho TV. This video is part 4 of the series Introduction to Hindi Alphabets. In this series, I have been describing how to use various alphabets or characters in Hindi language and how to write, pronounce and read it. In this video, I will be explaining the last 4 vowels and how to pronounce and write it. The first one is pronounced as O. O is a vowel which can be used along with a consonant or without the consonant as well. For example, K plus O equals ko. An example of it is coal, in which I have used ko and la. Ko and la is coal. The vowel O can also be used without any consonant. For example, a word, for example, O, ra, it means towards. This is pronounced as ra. So O can be used with consonants as well and without the use of any other consonant as well. For example, K plus O equals ko. An example of it is coal, and O can also be used without any consonant. For example, O, ra, or. Next, I am describing O. This is pronounced as O. So, K plus O equals ko. An example of this is koa. Koa. Pronounced as koa, and it means crow. You could also use O as it is without any consonant. For example, O and ra. O, ra, or, pronounced as or. This means the same as and in English, and. Now let's take the example of the third one, which is ang. For example, g plus ang equal gang. An example of this is Ganga. Ganga. Gang and then Ga. Ga is basically G plus A. G plus A is Ga and G plus Ang is Gang. Ganga, you know, Ganga is a river, the holy river Ganga. Now I'm showing you an example of Ang without any consonant. Ang, Gu and Ra. Ang, Gu, Ra. Gu comprises of G plus U. Angur means grapes. Pronounced as Angur, and in English it means grapes. Now let's see the example of last vowel, which is pronounced as ah. A-H, ah. So here I'm using the consonant ma and vowel ah. This will be mah, M-A-H, mah. Ma plus ah equals mah. An example of a word formed with this is na mah. This is what na looks like, and along with that I am using ma. Na ma ah namah, and it means namaste. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share. I will see you in the next video.